going to keep switching back to the actual designer where this system is built, and we're going to take a look at this Swift MES Lite demo. So what I've done is I'm logged in as a production line operator. I can see all the different production orders and confirmations that are happening. We can have different views to it, simplify the whole experience. If I have to confirm a production order, I don't have to go to 5 different screens. I can simply go to pick up a production order. And basically, Mustafa, you can keep chiming in on this. What I'm doing here, I'm selecting a production order. It's going to load up all the data from my underlying SAP. It's simplifying the whole user experience. It's getting data from 4 different modules. As you can see.
It is also taking care of a lot of validations and business rules behind the scenes, which are executed by SAP itself. So the reality, the thing is that the originality of the solution remains intact, and integrity remains intact, because every single business logic and control is executed by SAP, and Swift user interface is acting as a surface from where you can only just visualize and take action, and without worrying about anything happening back to your data.
Yeah. So this example, as you can see, and something similar to this could be built on Fury apps as well. But the problem is you'll have to do a lot of programming, and we'll show you the designer of how this has been built. You'll appreciate the fact that how this completely changes the whole mindset of how you build software and build it quickly. Now, I'm going to do a quick partial confirmation here. As you can see, the planned quantity is 34. 26 have been confirmed up to date. I'm going to do a confirmation of maybe 4 more records, which would take it to maybe 30. Again, I can, as I make those changes, the same instantly reflect across different user screens. I can, if I make a change here, update the record here. Again, all the values that you see are getting pulled in from SAP S/4HANA. And as I show you on the designer, you will realize that we're not writing any logic to pull that up. All that is already there in your SAP and is being pulled in, like Mustafa was just mentioning. If I click on the submit button here, it should do that production order confirmation, as you can see here. And if I go back and refresh this order, it's going to automatically show me the updated data, right? So now, and again, you can simplify a lot of other aspects of this as well. This is just one example where the data is getting updated, and all the changes instantly start reflecting here.